Good evening, everyone at randfinance.com, and welcome to another edition of Dino's Tech Picks. Tonight is Sunday, July 29th, almost 11 p.m. Eastern. Looking at the minis again, and we're going to take a quick look this evening. Thursday, Friday last week. Wow, what a move! We all know that. We had kind of a typhoonish flag here Thursday, which I thought resembled what we had here the week before. Not to be. Kept moving up. Moved over this green line, which again on the 4-hour is trend resistance off of the spring highs. We've broken over this trend resistance a couple of times and have failed to hold. We're way above that now. Made a new high here of late. Didn't hit the top of the channel. It's been in play for a while, but I had said numerous times that I wasn't feeling good down here about this break of the trend, and even though we got back in the channel, I thought we would be heading down, and wow, went the exact opposite way. Wrong call, that's for sure. But I am still downward biased here. This move is suspect to me, but got to be careful in this market, because a lot of times that's when some of the strongest bull runs happen, when everyone's thinking bearish or leaning too far bearish. So gonna keep an eye on it. I would say from a bullish perspective, if we kind of consolidate between these two horizontal supports and resistance, that would make another bull flag here. We can even come down as far as these couple of horizontal resistances or supports here, and consolidate that way. But for now, as far as it's early on Sunday night, but this 1376 area is held a couple of times, or a couple 4-hour candles thus far. We could wake up to something totally different, but that's what I'm looking at on the S&P minis. On the SPX cash chart, one thing that was interesting on Friday is we kind of peeked our head above the channel here on this chart and closed within. Every time that we've hit the top of this channel, we've retreated, starting the next day. And within 4 or 5 candles, it seems we've tagged the bottom of the channel, and this is on a daily. You see here the last time 3 big red candles. Time before that 4 red candles. Time before that 2 red candles, had a green day, and then a big red candle to tag the bottom. So if the trend continues, we should have some downside here, and then test the bottom of that channel again. That's all I'm going to look at for tonight, because I'm interested to see if these futures come down overnight. I would say, again, a gap up is bearish. I said that last week though too. And a gap down could be bullish if this is going to consolidate into a flag. Especially if we gap down to maybe this 1372 area, and if we bounce around again, forming a flag, that would be bullish. So I'll keep an eye on that tonight. I'll post an update in the morning, and hopefully this gives us some clues to tomorrow's trading and the rest of the week. Thanks.